Let's talk about how to get a job in the next 90 days. Today, mark your calendar and start your 90-day countdown because you really need to get a job in the next 90 days. You have to give this promise to yourself. In this video, there is no rocket science, it's just that I'm motivating you to work towards your goal and get a job in the next 90 days. So, your first step will be make a career plan. Either you are fresher or you're experienced professional, what you need to do is you need to create a plan first, because without a plan it's really hard for you to just applying random jobs, and then you might be getting rejected or you might not be getting you might be getting fewer interviews and you are not selected in either one of them. So what you need to do is that you really need to sit down and write a plan. I'll ask you if you need any help in terms of how are you going to look for a job, a better job. You can put your queries in the comment section. I will reply to you. Make a career plan. You really have to sit. Okay, pause the video and just write what are you going to do right now in the comment, because otherwise you will forget. Okay, now after this step, once you have achieved what you need to do, you need to get real world experience. This applicable to both freshers and as well as experienced professional. What I'm trying to say here is that if you're working in a company and you're looking for more senior role, or you're looking for advancement in your career, then you really need to, and because unless until you're applying for a better job, you need to know that skill set. You need to go one level up. Means, for example, currently you're working in Java and you're writing a lot of code in Java, and you can get the same level job in another company. But if you need to get the next level, you really need to work on the skills which you haven't worked in your current job. That is for experienced professional. For example, for freshers, for example, you have worked on a project, and usually what you guys do is that you just follow a tutorial and then just do it. You don't even build a new feature on top of it. So if you really want for me to put a real world example, a real industry level app or application, you just write a comment that we want my help to build a real world, not like building a Facebook. I've seen a couple of videos on internet that they are teaching newbies how to build Facebook. They are not even building Facebook. It's just that they are just copy pasting the UI, the HTML and all those things. We'll not go over there. What actually work in an industry, I will tell you that. If you really want it, you just pin down in the comment section. You really need to build good thing, and then usually interviewer, when even I'm also interviewing, I also ask the question to freshers that what they have built, and if usually people come up with that I build a Spotify or I build like Facebook or something like that. But if we go down in detail, they just anyhow. Further on, moving forward to our next step, pin down in the comment section if you really need a good example which you can put in your CV. Third is earn a certification. Yeah, this many people get, oh, why you need a certification, you need to spend money on this. But see, certification is a big debate. We can discuss some other day that whether it is good or not. But certifications tells the interviewer that you have a learning mindset, you have a growth mindset. It doesn't matter, means, but that is also one more thing, that in some places that you can download a dump and then you can pass the certification. So if you are doing in that way, then you will come into that same bracket that you have so many certification. I saw many people post on that I have this certification, that certification, but when it comes to the knowledge, they usually forget after doing that certification. So what you need to do is that if you really wanted to do a certification, you need to have the knowledge basically. And if you are not focusing on learning, then there is no point for you to do the certification. But if you are fresher, I suggest you to do a certification at least put every 30 minutes or maybe 1 hour daily that you need to follow this path. It means you need to complete this certification no matter what. Okay. And if you need any help in terms of which certifications are good for you in specific to which field you're opting, you can write down in the comment section that I'm applying for this job or I'm applying for this type of role. What type of certificate is good for my role, or what kind of certificate is good for my profile. The next is prepare for your job search. Now this is our one of the final I would say steps. So you need to search, and some people even don't know that how to search a better job. Yes, you can read a lot of things on internet that how actually you search for a job, but many people say that okay, just follow me and I will get you a job, or just follow my content, we will get you a job, something like that. But the real thing is that you never get a job. The only person will help you to get a job in terms of guiding you or navigating you. You can follow me, I can guide you, but only you, means only you watch the video, only you can help yourself to get a job. No one else can help you. People can guide you, but people cannot help you. You only help yourself. But I would again say that if you're really interested and if you're watching this video till now, subscribe to my channel, and lot more things will come. Instead of watching some TikTok, you can watch my other videos. And if you need any help, you can comment down in the comment section. Thank you.